And just, and both of you just need to be just expressive, just so then people know what you're saying. Or not saying, if you will. All right. Let's try again. Go.
Oh, no. Oh, no. You are going to die. Oh.
Perfect, that's what I was trying. Yes, that's the good crazy. Yes, good crazy. All right, cut. Let's get lunch.
Okay.
So, Tom, in this scene, you're going to be fighting that stunt actor right there. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, action!
I ain't never seen you around these parts. This town ain't big enough for the both of us.
Perfect, yep. Cut! Perfect.
Say, did you read Variety today?
No, what?
First time talking picture novelty, The Jazz Singer. All-time smash in the first week.
All-time flop at the end of the second. Good luck on your new Lock on the Launch film. I'm sure it'll be another smash.
Aren't they all? All I do is play along. Enter the star.
Good luck, Mr. Lockwood.
Thank you.
Ah, well, new picture, new role. Comte Pierre de Bataille, better yet known as the Dueling Cavalier.
So what's this one about?
It's a French Revolution story.
I've got it. You're a French aristocrat. She's a simple girl of the people, and she won't even give you a tough role.
Well, it's a living.
Hey, Frank. Now why bother to shoot this kid? Why not release the old one under a new title? Seen one, you've seen them all.
Well, why do you say that?
Say what?
That's just what that Kathy Selden said to me the other night.
3 weeks are gone, we're still thinking about it.
Well, I can't get her out of my mind.
Well, how could you? She's the first name who hasn't fallen for our line since you were 4.
She's on my conscience.
It's not your fault she lost her job at Coconut Grove.
Well, I gotta find her.
Well, you've been trying to, haven't you? Short of sending out bloodhounds and a posse.
I suppose so.
Come on now, Don, snap out of it. You can't let a little thing like this get you down. Well, you're Don Lockwood, aren't you? Don Lockwood's an actor, isn't he? What's the first thing you learn about being an actor? The show must go on. Come rain, come shine, come sleet, come snow. The show must go on. So remember, in the words of the immortal bard Samuel J. Snodgrass, as he's led to the guillotine. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad said be an actor, my son, but be a comical one till it's end in mind. For those old honky-tonk monkey shines. Now you can study Shakespeare and be quite elite, and you can charm the critics but have nothing to eat. Just slip on a banana, feel the world let you be. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My grandpa said, don't tell him a joke, but give him plenty of hope. Make 'em roar, make 'em scream. Take a small bus, a wall, split a seam. You start out by pretending you're a dancer with grace. You wiggle till you're giggling all over the place, and then you get a great big cussing pie in the face. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh.